Hi everyone, welcome back to Anna. Today we are making Japanese curry. Let's get started. First, let's chop vegetables. Chop the onion, carrots, and potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add some oil to the pot. Stir-fry the onion and meat together. Next, add cold water, carrots, and potatoes. Give it a quick stir to combine everything. Now add the curry flavor. Stir it well and let it simmer until the sauce is thick and rich. Serve it over hot rice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.